Hello, this is question 15 on your AQA paper 2 from 2023, from June 2023. Is the AS paper. It's a probability question, and sometimes the probability questions look scary, but sometimes are simpler than they look like. So we have number balls are placed in bowls A, B, and C. Here we have these numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 7. This one we have these numbers, this one we have with numbers. A 3-digit number is generated using the following method. So we get one ball from each bowl, and the first one is from this ball, the second digit from this ball, and the third digit from this ball. Yeah. So we have to find the probability that the number is even. So we only have to look at the last number. If it's divisible by 2, the whole number will be divisible by 2. So here we have 0, 2, and 6. Yeah, those three are divisible by 2. So what we have is the probability of being 0 is 1 out of 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So 2 out of 9, it would be 0, 2, sorry, we have 3 possibilities. We say 0, 2, or 6. So it's 3 possibilities out of 9. So 3 out of 9, which is 1/3. So that's the probability of being even. Then in the next one, it says find the probability that the number is 703, so a particular number. So we need the probability of getting a 7 in the first one, and a 0 in the second one, and a 3 in the third one. Remember, when we say and, we multiply the probabilities. So probability of 7 in the first one is 1 out of 3, yeah, out of 4. So we have 4 balls, and then we have 1 that is 7. And so multiply. Second one, the probability of being 0 is 2 out of 9. No, 2 out of 8, because we have 8 in that one. So 2 out of 8, or 1/4. And the last one is a 3. And we have 1, 2, 3 out of 9. 3 out of 9. Yeah. And this probability is 1/48. And the last bit, it asks, find the probability that the number generated is divisible by 111. So it could be 111, 1, we don't have a 1 here, so that's not an option. 222, for example, so 2, 2, 2, so that would be one option. So probability of getting 222. 3, 3, 3, 3 would be another option. And then 7, 7, that we don't have. Yeah, so the only two options are 222 or 333. Probability of 222 is 1/4. So probability of getting 222, it would be 1/4, and a 2 in the second one, that is 2. So we have 1, 2, so it's 1 out of 8, 1 out of 8, and a 2 in the last one, which is 1 again, but out of 9. So 1 out of 9, and the probability of getting 333 would be 1 out of 4, so 1 out of 4, and a 3 in the second one would be just 1 out of 8, so 1 out of 8, and the last one is a 3. In the last one, we have 3 3s, so it's 3 out of 9, 3 out of 9. And the probability of having a number divisible by 111 is the probability of getting 222 or 333, which means we are adding the probabilities. Yeah, so the probability of number divisible by 111 is 1/4 times 1/8, 1/9, plus 1/4 times 1/8 times 3/9, which is 1/72. Yeah, and that's all. Remember, probability questions, every time you say or, you add the probabilities. Every time you say and, you multiply the probabilities. Yeah, and that's all with this question.